Welcome everyone. If you are new on my channel, subscribe my channel to support and appreciate my work.
Let's analyze gold live chart dated the 14th of November 2023. Gold is in bearish trend in daily and H4 time frame. In H4 time frame, making correction move to upside, but going weak in H4 time frame. 5 candles struggling to break upside.
Gold breaks daily low, 1,954.56, and also breaks H4 low 1,945.84, and make lower low at 1,931.65. In H4 time frame recently, we saw a head and shoulder pattern for sell trend.
H4. Candle try to break upside, but recently fails to break upside. 5 candles fails to breaks upside for bullish trend. Trend is in downtrend, so we are looking for sell trade here. Pro traders are waiting for break 1,930.25 downside. And if news goes wrong, 1,951.63 is our stop loss. We saw a big support at 1,868.78 for sell trade.
Thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing. If you want to learn more about Forex trading and improve your trading skills, subscribe and like. Wait for next video.